Samsung just dropped a new budget base and it's a Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G. So we are talking about massive 6000 mAh battery and a smooth display, 120Hz refresh rate. So let's find out and let's unbox it, its specification and features. Alright friends, let's see what Samsung gives us in 2026. So here inside the box we got a mobile phone and their mini box. Here is the pin ejector. There we got a cable wire and the manual guides. So let's keep this all on the side and check our Samsung Galaxy mobile phone. Here's the wrapper. And friends, if you are thinking about the adapter, then it's the 25 watt. And here if you look at the mobile phone, wow, it's look the premium. It's made up of the leather texture finish and it feels like a solid in a hand. It's not cheap plastic and it's surprisingly its slim is the 8.2 mm and it's despite the huge battery. And if we turn on our mobile phone, let's turn on the mobile phone. And if we'll talk about the display and build quality, we got the 6.7 inch and 120Hz display, and it's also given the HD plus LCD panel, not the AMOLED, which is the trade-off at this price. But honestly, 800 nits of peak brightness, it's the plenty of punchy for the outdoor use, and the 120Hz refresh rate also makes the scrolling feel the better smooth. Friends, if we talk about the performance and software of this mobile phone, it's the under the hood, it's a MediaTek Dimensity, it's the 6300 and it's reliable 5G chip that handles the daily tasks and casual gaming like a champion. One UI 816 of OS and security update, so that is unheard of at this price point. So this phone is built to last until the 2032. And friends, if we talk about the battery and camera, we got a 6000 mAh battery. Talk about the cameras, we have the 50 megapixel main camera. And here I would like to capture some of the image. So here's the image and I have captured this under the 50 megapixel. Here this is the clarity of this camera. And if we shoot in the daylight, the colors are classic and vibrant. Even the front camera, the 8 megapixel, it's also designed. I would like to capture some images on the front camera. So friends, this is the front camera. When I capture and in the front, it's a bit struggles in the low light. And if we look at the camera's features, then here there is the portrait mode, video mode, and under the mode you are going to find the pro night mode, food mode, and panorama, slow motion, hyperlapse. And there is also the HDR or FHD. You can change this in this way. And there is also the flashlight, and there you can even increase or decrease the smoothness. Okay, here's the smoothness. You can increase to 0 to 8 if you want to increase the smoothness. Okay friends. And friends, if we look at the sound here, let's check it out, the sound. I would like to play the non-copyright music. Here I play some non-copyright music and we will also check it out whether the sound is working properly or not. And friends, I will also test this mobile phone, the battery range or the charging test. This is the highest sound. When I increase to 30 or 40%, this is sound volume, and this is the highest volume. So it's good under this price. And if we look at the display, it's look very clean and pretty. Here it's very, the clarity is amazing under this price. Here it is, very clear. I have seen different types of mobile phones under the 11,000 and above, but sometimes the display used to be blur. It's not perfect, but here the display is amazing. It's very clear. And if you want to know about its quality, then you can check it, the quality. It's D2 up to the 1440p 60. You can increase and decrease it. So friends, about this mobile phone, it's incredible battery and premium leather designs. It's also the IP54 rating, and it's leading the software support, and it also has the HD plus resolution and no charger in the box. So if you want a reliable 5G phone that you won't have to replace for years, the Galaxy F70e 5G is still at its launch price of around 12,000 to 13,000. So friends, what do you think of this Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G? Is this enough for the budget? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.